Welcome to Dr. JALIL Photography. This is an episode for my series on macro photography accessories. Today I'll be showing some very small items which I very frequently use for photography of insects on my table and also some flower photography. Let me show you on this episode. I put this over here, and while the insect is walking, I can turn it around to set the angle. But I did not buy any one of these items. I just collected it from scraps or from any workshop. So let me show you. You can see there are one beautiful orange color flower here. There is one white rain lily flower, and there's a green twigs over here. I use these natural items for putting my insect so that they can walk around and I can take photographs while it is walking around on these natural things like flowers or twigs, green twigs. For insect photography, I use these items, and I use this. You can see on my back there's a diffuser box where I put all these items inside the diffuser box, take the photographs of insects while it is walking around. There are some metal things, metal round heavy items with a hole inside it, so that I can put my flower or I can put my twigs inside this, as I have done it over here for a rain lily flower. You see, I dipped it in water so that it remains fresh. And this one is very easy. This one you have to buy. This is a choke. This is a choke. I very frequently use this, and I can fix any item over here, turn it around to make tight, and fix it like this. Along with this stuff, I use a wheel. You see, I'll make a separate episode on these wheels. Let me show you on this episode. I put this over here, and while the insect is walking, I can turn it around to set the angle. This is very useful. I can rotate slowly and fast, and also I use a very small jack to set the height. You see, I can move the jack up and down to set the height, and also I use this. This is another wheel. I can put the jack and the wheel and my subject and adjust the height accordingly, and also I can rotate the subject. So these are the items normally I use for my diffuser box on my back for flying subject, like very fast moving subject like jumping spider or flies or honeybee, or I do a lot of butterfly. So these are the live insects. I normally use my diffuser box so that they cannot fly away from my sight. If they fly away, I just catch it and put it again on the subject. It can only fly from the front, but I have to take that chance to take the pictures quickest possible time so that I don't lose the subject. So these are the items normally I use for my tabletop photography. I've already uploaded several videos on my YouTube channel about these accessories before, and I'll be uploading more about these accessories in future as well, so that if you are a beginner, if you want to start a macro photography on your table, this stuff will be helpful for your photography. In my next video, I'll be showing the making process of these wheels for my tabletop photography. If you like my channel, press the bell icon for my upcoming projects. Like it, share it, make a comment if you have any question about this macro photography or tabletop photography. Please do not hesitate to put a comment below. Thank you for watching until the end. Bye bye.